Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these rechargeable magnetic pool lights. These are great for in-ground and above ground pools. Alright, so right here we have our magnetic lights. They do offer in several different types. You can get 2 pieces, 1 piece, or 4. This right here is a 4 piece. So here is the user manual. This basically just tells you how the remote control works, how to set them up, how to connect them. So we're just going to put that to the side. You get 2 remote controls. Each one of these remote controls do control all 4 of them simultaneously. So you have your off, on, timer off, 2, 4, 6 hours, soothe, flash, fade. You got white, brightness, lowness. You have red, green, blue. You have orange and yellow, green and green, blue and purple. So they have different shades of colors. I'll show you that later in the video. Each one of these do come with a Type-C charging cable. So these are rechargeable. They are super bright, vibrant, and they have multicolor. These are designed with enhanced for your swimming pool experience. It has a high capacity of a rechargeable battery. These lights are 5 times brighter than those of A and AAA batteries. You can choose from 16 different color modes, 3 dynamic colors changing modes to create a vivid and attractive ambience to your pool night. So right here, these ones here are magnetic. So you've got the on button right here, and then the other side is the charging, so you can change the different colors. So we're going to go ahead and change the different colors. So this is so convenient to charge them. You don't have to worry about replacing any batteries, as this one is a rechargeable light. The lights can be easily quickly charged using the included USB Type-C cable. With a full charge taking about approximately 3 to 4 hours, they can provide up to 50 to 150 hours of illumination. So right here is the back plate. You would take the back plate with the glue that is provided, and you just go ahead and put the glue right here on the back, and that would stick to the pool liner or the pool wall. So then you just place them here like this, and they magnetize. So when you want to take them off to charge them, you just pop them off and then take them and charge them with the Type-C cable. So each one of these ones do have a magnetic plate. So you would glue each one of these to your pool liner or the pool wall. So with this is easy to install. The glue, you do get 2 canisters of glue. You can fix the mounting plate and then place the magnetic lights onto the liner or the pool wall. It is easy to remove. So these lights here can cover up a range of 200 feet, which is 50 meters in air and 16.4 meters in the water. These are great and submersible. They are IP6 waterproof rating. They ensure a fully sealed and safe for underwater use. You can also simply throw these into the swimming pool and let them float. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go and take this outside and go ahead and connect it to my pool so you can see how nice and bright these lights look. So I'll be back once I get this out on the pool. Alright, so we have the lights up and installed on this pool. As you can see, it looks really nice. It is well lighted. So this is the 16 by 48. I've also used this on my 24 by 52 inch pool, and it lit it really nice. This right here do give an option to choose the different colors that they have. So this one right here is the green and the orange. So the green and orange doesn't look so good. The green, then there's a blue. Then you can do a blue and a purple. You've got a purple and pink. You've got a blue. And then you also have like a white color. This one right here is the white color. And they also have flashing mode. So if you want to do the flashing mode, it allows you to do the flashing mode. So I turned off all the lights around my house. You can see that this pool is well lit. The green one, there's green. And then my light just kicked on, you can see. Now here's the blue. I like the blue and the white. It makes the pool look so clean and fresh, even though the pool is really nicely clean. The lights are super bright. These ones here do have 2 RF remotes. You get 2 glues. You get each USB cable for each one. So that you can see that it is super bright. You do have the option if you want to go with the party mode. It would flash. They have a stream feature. So it's all on the remote control. So you can also change the colors on the lights themselves. So if you don't want to bring the remote control in the pool, you can just pop off the plate, and in the back you can change the color by pushing the button in the back. So this is with the blue, and here's the flickering color. And you got the blue and purple, you've got the red, here's the green, there's a blue again, there's green, blue and purple. So you do have many options to choose what color you like. I like them because they're super bright, so I'm changing them with a remote control. And if you want to put them on a timer, after the timer ends, they do turn off. So if you're looking for some super nice bright pool lights for above ground as well as in-ground pool lights, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are super nice.